Hello everyone. Today I will talk about image preview in VIFM using the iTerm2. So let me first show you how the end result will look like. So I just triggered VIFM and have some images here, those two PNGs. So VIFM, if you just install a vanilla version, it will already have a preview for text files and folders. For example, if I press W here, you can already see the content of this readme, also this file. And if you go to a folder, it will show you kind of a tree view for that folder. But it doesn't work for images. Here I already made it work, so you can see I can directly see the image content. This is actually an image. Okay, now I just pulled up the settings for VIFM, and you can already see here that in order to support those previews, you need to define, you define two behaviors. One is called file type, that determines what opens that file. Because if you are hovering on one file and then you press enter, that will open it in a third-party program. And there's a second line called image viewer, and that's the preview. If you hit W, that will be triggered. Let me find some example. Let me just give you the example of the image viewers. This actually doesn't work. It's here. So since I'm on Mac, I'm using iTerm2. You can see here. When I press enter, it will use the preview app to open it. But if I want to preview it, I will use the iTerm2 imgcat. Okay, so if you just install iTerm2, it won't have this imgcat. In order to install that, you have to go to iTerm2 and install shell integration. Then it will automatically install for you. If you use iTerm2 and you often work in a Linux machine using SSH, you can install VIFM on the Linux machine, and while you are in the Linux machine via the iTerm2 SSH section, you can go here again and install shell integration there. Then it will install it on the Linux machine, and then you do the same configuration again on the Linux machine, by which I mean you add this line again on the Linux machine with the corresponding username and the home folder. Then you will be able to view it on the Linux machine too, using the imgcat software. Okay, hope this is useful. Thanks for watching.